Give me 6 hours to chop down a tree, and I'll spend the first 4 sharpening the axe. Abraham Lincoln. Let's face it, sometimes we fall behind on tool maintenance. Maybe you swapped out a pair of shears without wiping down the old ones, or perhaps a little helper borrowed your tools and left them out in the elements. The result? Dirt, rust, and wear taking their toll. A quick gardening task for week 3 is to clean, sharpen, and oil your tools. Today we're going to give them a relaxing day at the spa. First, we'll start with a deep cleaning, using steel wool and hot, soapy water to scrub away dirt and rust. Next, we'll sharpen tools like hatchets and clippers with a whetstone to restore their edges. And last, we'll finish with a light oil massage, applying a thin layer of linseed or mineral oil to handles, hinges, and blades for protection and shine. As we work, remember, consistent care saves you from having to do this heavy lifting later. A quick wipe down after each use can keep your tools in excellent condition. And don't dismiss an old, neglected tool from a yard sale or a friend's basement. With a little TLC, you can restore it to its former glory. We shape our tools, and then our tools shape us. Marshall McLuhan. So let's meet the stars of the show today. We have this is my favorite, the Cape Cod Weeder. It was a hand-me-down from my sister-in-law's grandma. Big shout out to Granny. It's perfect for scraping pavers and cutting roots. I've linked the closest version that I could find in the description. Shears and Snips always have multiple pairs of these. For the heavy duty work, I like these titanium shears, and for longer days of cutting a lot of plants, I like these comfortable Kajuta shears, and also make sure that you have a tiny pair of snips for more fine cuts. And then this Hori Hori knife, it's really the Swiss Army knife of gardening. It digs, aerates, and slices through weeds. The serrated edge is great for sawing roots, and the flat edge is sharp and cuts flat just like a yard knife. A little maintenance goes a long way. Properly cared for tools last longer, work better, and make your experience more enjoyable. Clean, sharpen, oil, and store. It's that simple to keep your tools in top shape. Happy gardening!